Namaskar, welcome to Break Time Varshata. UAE is beautifully decorated. UAE is celebrating its 49th National Day. For the resident and friends and family who are in UAE, they know what it is celebrated for. But for the people who don't know, we will be giving you an idea on what UAE National Day is for and why is it celebrated. So prior to the formation of UAE, it was called Crucial States, which means Assembly of Sheikdoms. These crucial states form a pact with British government in the year 1892, during which it was agreed that Britain government will prevent these crucial states from any kind of aggression, either through land or sea, and in return, crucial states are not allowed to sell any land without Britain government consent. However, this treaty got ended in the year 1971 on December 1. But on December 2nd, 1971, these crucial states, they form a treaty to form United Arab Emirates. So, December 2nd is celebrated as National Day for UAE, not for independence, but for being united as one country. UAE, which we know today, consists of 7 emirates. However, in the beginning, it also had Bahrain and Qatar into it. But due to geographical complications, Bahrain and Qatar decided to opt out. An interesting fact here is Ras Al Khaimah was the last one to join the 7 Emirates as one UAE. UAE national flag was designed by an Emirati teenager, Abdullah Muhammad Al Mena, who won this competition over 1,000 other entries. He was just 19 years old when he designed UAE national flag, and he also won 4,000 riyal at that time. So prior to unification of UAE, each Emirates was having its own source of economy. Like pearl diving, sea fishing, trading, these were the mainstay of economy. So before the story of oil, there was no currency in UAE. UAE was using the same currency which was used in India. But in 1957, a special currency called as external currency or Gulf currency was printed in India and used and circulated in Gulf. So imagine a country which does not have its own currency 50 years ago is now one of the world's strongest economy with a GDP of $419 billion. And if I tell you one interesting fact apart from economy is UAE is being declared as one of the generous country of the world. Year 2019 was declared as Year of Tolerance. And for the first time, Pope visited any country outside Europe, and that was UAE. And UAE has also done a groundbreaking ceremony for the temples. So it is such a beautiful place where you see people respecting each other's culture and yet maintaining their tradition. And if I add on to that, UAE has a futuristic vision. A great example of it is Artificial Intelligence University, which is going to be started soon. And UAE is also one of the first Middle Eastern country who had landed in space. So UAE can be rightfully termed as global phenomenon. Imagine a country in less than 50 years has converted from a sandy desert to a futuristic center. It is a perfect amalgamation of tradition and modernity.